This video is all about exercise 1.2, question number 3. The question is, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. The question is, you have to find the LCM and HCF for this following integers. This is first question. Till now we have been finding LCM and HCF for two integers. But in this question, we have asked to find LCM and HCF for three integers. So, similar method, we will follow the similar method. I have already uploaded how to find the LCM and HCF, also a video about prime factorization. So, I will link it in the description. Before proceeding to this question, please look into those videos and then come back and do these problems. So, let us solve this question. First part of the question is 12, 15 and 21. First, what we have to do? We have to find the prime factors for these numbers. Prime factors of these numbers can be found by doing like this. You have to 12 and divide it by the least prime factor, that is 2. You will be left with the quotient 6. Again, divide it by 2, the least prime factor, and we will get a 3 as the quotient. So 3 is a prime number. So we will not be able to do it further. So we will stop here. So the factors of 12, 15 and 21 is 2 into 2 into 3 or 2 square into 3. And for 15, similarly, it can't be divided exactly by 2. So we will be dividing this by 3 to get a quotient 5. So the prime factors of 15 is 3 into 5. Whereas for 21, similarly, it can't be divided by 2. So it can be exactly divided by 3. We will divide 21 by 3 to get a quotient 7. So the prime factor of 21 is 3 into 7. So the prime factor of 12 is 2 square into 3. Prime factor of 15 is 3 into 5. Prime factor of 21 is 3 into 7. So here in this question we have to find the LCM and HCF. So the HCF is the common factor, highest common factor. Here we have 3 as the repeating factor in all these questions, all these answers. The factors of all these 3 is the common factor which is repeating in all the 3 numbers. So HCF is 3. To find the LCM is you have to take a common factor, the highest power of the common factor, and all the other numbers we have to just multiply it as is. So here 2 is not common, so 2 square you have to write it as is. 3 is common in all of this, so you have to take only 1 3 and you have to write, and 5 you have to write it, and 5 into 7. So when you multiply all this, we get LCM as 420. Similarly, we can solve the second question 17, 23 and 29. So 17 is a prime number, 23 is also a prime number, 29 is also a prime number. How do we solve this question? The prime factor of these will be 17 into 1 is the prime factor for 17, 23 into 1 is the prime factor for 23, 29 into 1 is the prime factor for 29. So our HCF will be 1. 1 will be the HCF of all these 3 numbers. Similarly, our LCM is 17 into 23 into 29 into 1. If you want, we can include 1, or else we can just skip, because it doesn't going to change our answer. So when you multiply all of this, we get 11,339 as the LCM. HCF is 1 and LCM is 11,339 for this question. Moving to the third part, 8 into 9 into 25. So the prime factors of these can be done like this. 8 can be divided by 2 to get a quotient 4. 4 can be divided by 2 to get a quotient 2. So the factor of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, or else 2 cube. Similarly, the factor of 9 is 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9. So 3 into 3 is the prime factor for 9, or 3 square is the prime factor for 9, and 5 square, 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So 5 square is the factor of 25. Here also we don't have any common factor other than 1. Even though we have not written 1 over here, it means it has 1 as a common factor. It can't be 0. It can't have 0 as the HCF, highest common factor. You cannot write 0. But invisibly, it means it has a 1 as common factor in all these numbers. So therefore, 1 is the largest number which divides 8, 9 and 25. Therefore, our HCF is 1. And our LCM is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. When we multiply all of that, we get 1800. So LCM is 1800. So this is how we solve. When we have three numbers, it is the similar way we will be finding the LCM as well as the HCF. So I'll be linking the HCF and LCM and prime factorization videos in the comment section. Please have a look at it and solve it like how we solved here. Thank you for watching, and do like, share and subscribe YARY Tutorials, and stay tuned to get more videos. Thank you.